Today's May 12th, Monday. Just launched the boat in Brigantine. So far so good. Everything's running well. Even the fish finder, the pictures in it has improved since I relocated the transducer. So I'm happy about that. And the tide is still pretty high, so I brought a couple of those things along. I might have to use them a little bit just to see if there's anybody home. It is a beautiful day. Alrighty. It's a little striped bass, I think. It's a little striped bass. Oh, Junior. I guess I have to bring up my fishing hat so I can get hands free. Oh, you just spit up something. Little guy. Alright, let's see. Almost June 3rd. As you can see, we're moving the transducer. I have a picture now, at least at the bottom when we're moving. So that worked out. Happy about that. The osprey nest. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. See if we can find the pretty ones. Oh, what are those yellow lumps on the bottom? Classy. That also means the gnats are out of control. I'm swimming in bug spray right now. Black point. Darn. Gnats are ridiculous. Look at this. Look at these gnats. Huh. Terrible, terrible. Not sure. Not a head shake. Could be a flounder. It's not really swimming around too much. Oh yeah, look at that. Son. Oh, can't keep it either.